Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Location. This is the control center for every app's access. Once done, make sure your device OS and Google Play services are up to date so permissions behave predictably. Next, toggle location on and choose a mode. High accuracy uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks for precise results. Device only saves battery but reduces accuracy. You do this now to let apps request location and to avoid permission conflicts later. You now control which apps get location and when. Open Settings, go to Apps, pick the specific app, and tap Permissions. This prevents blanket access. Once there, choose Allow only while using the app for most utilities so location isn't tracked in the background. For apps that truly need constant tracking, enable background location deliberately, otherwise revoke it to preserve battery and privacy. Finally, review any battery optimization or data saver rules that might block location updates. You finish by verifying that location works end-to-end. Open Maps or a dedicated GPS app to confirm real-time positioning. If it's inaccurate, toggle location off and on, then reboot the device. Make sure battery saver, airplane mode, or restrictive VPNs aren't limiting location services. If apps still misbehave, reset app permissions for that app or clear its cache. One key troubleshooting tip: enable mock locations only for testing and disable them when finished to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.